But that is spoil relationship, and now they do all those things.
Why Tracy go? I don't see Tracy to be this kind of girl.
No, like, you be like saying just go tell them. Nah, talk that they talk.
Nah, Tracy na 27 years old. No try rush.
I know they defend them.
Yeah, no defend them.
If you don't say I'm full and talk.
I know full and talk. Yeah. Very nonsense talk, but she just talk. Bro, you know why I come confront my guy? Because I don't believe so Tracy will talk that kind of talk.
I don't believe.
Now two of them.
So now me believe so if you talk that kind of talk.
And now you go ask now because now
maybe you ask me, you attack me, bro.
At the verse now.
You know ask me. You know ask me, oh. Maybe ask if now that one be your definition, maybe ask me that too. You just come, they tell me say the verse from me, say
At the verse no.
Maybe ask me, talk like so okay.
Fuck it.
All the one who don't talk. You don't hear from another person mouth. I be don't mad. All the one who don't talk. You don't ever hear him say when I two sit down one day he talk am. I be all those one maybe say they play me about that other lady. I don't even play game or tell you or you going to fuck up I beg. God go punish you, say. Be that.
Hey God.
No Shima fit whine me for this amount. No Shima fit whine me for this amount.